Hello my beautiful people. Today we're going to be making garden egg sauce with boiled yam. And these are my ingredients what I'm going to be using. First of all, I'm going to be boiling the garden egg. Added water to my pot and I just pour it in and I'm going to boil it till it's soft. And I'm going to be peeling my yam off camera. Yam is completely cleaned and I added water and a little bit of salt to it and I'm going to cook it till it's cooked. And I cleaned my fish and I sliced it, spice it up with fish spice. And I'm going to be frying my fish. Added a little bit of oil to my pan to fry my fish. And my garden egg is ready. I just take the heads out and I'm going to be matching it with my hand pistol. And that is my already matched garden egg, and my yam is also cooked. My fish is completely fried, so now I'm going to add my sliced garlic and ginger, onions and pepper to it. And I'm just going to fry this together for a few seconds and let my fish soak that yummy juice. Now I added my tomatoes. Very easy dish. My crayfish, dry prawns. Give it a good stir and let it fry. Add my stock cube and a little bit of salt. Fry it together for 2 minutes. Then I added my matched garden egg. Fry all this together for 2 minutes, then it's ready. My yam is also ready. So now it's eating time. And I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. Thank you for watching.